everyone, welcome back. We are doing another Encore Azalea unboxing video. We did our last ones with our autumn fires that we put out and the autumn carnivals that we put out, the pink ones. The autumn fire red, autumn carnival were the pink, so they're growing well there.
All right, so the first blooms of spring for the red. This is the autumn fire now. All these red ones are the autumn fire. Look at this one. Look at how it just covers the entire plant. I think that's what I really like. It really does. And then the pink ones are not quite ready yet, but look at how luscious those leaves look. A lot of new growth on them. You can see what color they're going to be right here. They're really quite lovely.
We liked them so much, we decided to order another one for another spot over here. So we did the autumn sangria. It gets a little bit larger, 4.5 to 5 feet, and then about 4 feet wide. So we have a bigger area. We want to put it there. So let's see what this looks like. We ordered it again from Home Depot, as we did the other ones, and they came pretty quickly, probably about 5 or 6 days maybe, and in this lovely box. And you can see it's already green in here. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Hopefully there's a bloom on it so we can see. It's supposed to be a really pretty purple. It says open from this end. So we're gonna open it from this end and take it out. It's a 3-gallon one. We had to get it in the large because that's what size they had. So here we go. Come on. I like the leaves. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. They've got kind of a light green leaf. It's not as dark, and it's like fuzzy, soft. It's not shiny. This is really pretty. I love the colors of the leaves. All right, so let's see. It says I have to give it some water, so we'll be doing that in a little bit. But autumn sangria, Encore Azaleas, autumn sangria. Look at how pretty that plant is. Oh, I can't wait to put that in the ground. We will be doing that this weekend, so I'll let you know what it looks like when we get there, all put in the ground.
All right, a quick update. I just planted our Encore Azalea. It was a 3-gallon autumn sangria. It's going to be a beautiful purple flower. And I just put it, like, you can kind of see the roses are there. And the azaleas, the Martha Washingtons. And now we've got this one here. It is going to sit in front of this other bush we have. But that is going to be cut back because this needs at least 4 feet. And I want to make sure it has a lot of room. But it should work okay. So far, so good. It's been in the ground 3 days. And water it every day, like they say, just to make sure it's got enough water. And we'll see. This is May, so mid-May, and we'll see how long it takes before we get a flower on that one. Thanks for watching. We'll keep you updated. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day. See you in the next video.